trying this facial toning device, the Nuface Mini. Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover skincare, makeup, fashion, travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I recently purchased the Nuface Mini. Here at the box, it came in this box with the charging cord and the gel. I found mine on eBay for less than $100. Generally, if you go on the Nuface website, they're $209, as well as at Sephora. Amazon has them right now for about $156. I'm going to put a link to that. But again, I advise you to also check eBay. I've been wanting to try this. It's called the Mini because it's just basically the slightly smaller than the bigger Trinity version. Now the heads to the Trinity, the amount of current is exactly the same as with the Mini. The difference is the Trinity has a detachable top with 2 additional heads that you can buy as a kit altogether, or you can buy them individually. I think if you get the kit with both of the additional heads, it's like over $500. So this was what I thought I really needed. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how I use it and give my overall opinion of what I think. So stay tuned. In the morning, you should wash your face, remove any remnants of moisturizers or any oil-based products that you have on your face, and start with it clean and dry. Then they provide with this Nuface gel primer, which sort of acts as a conductor for the microcurrent. So as this is kind of expensive, I take a little bit and start with just one section of the face, and then I apply to each section as I'm about to use it. So let's just start with this area in here. Okay. This is the on-off switch. Let me see, this is the lowest level. This is the medium, and this is the highest for the currency. I usually go ahead and use the highest. I've only been doing this for about a week, but I do notice a little bit of improvement. It is a temporary tightening effect. So that's why it's best to use either in the morning or before going out to a big event or whatever. So you start, the main way to use it is to start and just sort of slide it up and then hold until it clicks. You sort of slide up along the line of the muscle and hold till it clicks. And this is to do about 3 rounds in each position. By pulling outward, it's sort of like lifting the face, tightening the muscle from the outside. Another way to use it to focus on an area, a specific area like around the mouth, is to push up and just hold. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side of the face and get a little bit of gel there. You can use a brush or your fingers to do the gel. And then, but make sure that is a thick enough layer to completely moisten your skin. All right, let's try this side. Yeah, you feel, when you don't have any gel on a spot, you will feel a little electrical surge. Okay, now I'm going to do the forehead. And one question I had about this was, how does it work with if you have any Botox or fillers? I don't have any fillers, but I did get a little bit of Botox a few weeks ago right in here and along my brow line. And they said Botox should be fine. Fillers, you want to avoid, at least for the first few weeks, avoid, the area where the fillers are, because you don't want to push around and disturb the fillers. Now, to be on the safe side, I waited about a week after Botox to use it. Now, the Trinity model has an attachment with these little needle points that actually is supposed to work better on the brow area, but it's a bit more expensive. And the other attachment, the red light, since I already have other red light devices, I really felt like I'd rather save money and just get the mini. And just again, I get on the brows. And up here, I did not get Botox in the top part of my forehead, so I'll just use a little bit up here. And you want to avoid doing it right on your eyelid or directly under your eyes where your tear ducts are, but you can do the bone around your eye and that area. Okay, the final step is my neck. You avoid the center of your neck in here, because that's where your thyroid and other important glands are, and you do not want to send shock waves into your glands. But the side of your neck and the area under your jawline are areas that can benefit from this. So I'm going to turn it back on and just start with from here out and do the jawline. Okay, so I've only been using this for about a week, and I have noticed that right after using it, when I put on my makeup, my skin feels tighter. It maybe looks a little bit firmer. I'm hoping it's for long-term improvement as well. I'll maybe update you on that if I notice anything, but I do feel like the stimulation of the muscles, the firming, the tightening does actually help give sort of a temporary tightening effect. So I'm going to go off camera and put on my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, my makeup is done. While I don't really notice a huge change after using this, I do notice a subtle firmness. The skin just overall feels a little bit tighter, a little bit, I don't know, more firm around the jawline. So I'm going to keep on using this. I use it about every other day in the morning and just see if there's any long-term effect. So far, I'm really liking this Nuface Mini. Well, that's the video for today. If you enjoyed it, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, if you have any experience with Nuface or any of these devices, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experiences. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.